Here's one of the best pre-sales to invest in Coquitlam, BC. And that pre-sale is Alina by Strand. This is a project that is going to be built very close to Burquitlam Station. It's actually just off Recoma Lake Road there. So I have a quick video to show you the actual location itself. So it is going to be a high rise. It's going to be obviously a concrete build, which will be quieter. It is going to be setting to complete in early 2026. So another 4 years out until this one is going to be finally built. The great thing is the one bedrooms in Den are under $600,000, which is a fantastic deal, hard to get in Coquitlam. It is a 3-minute walk to Burquitlam Station, the Safeway where the new YMCA is going to be. They have a staggered deposit structure, which makes it easy for you to, invest a little bit up front and then spread it out over the years to pay the rest of the deposit. And the maintenance fees are actually only 54 cents per square foot. So if we have a 500 square foot condo, we're looking at about $270 in maintenance fees. And the assignment fees are quite low, which means it's great for you to flip it in the future to make some money.